Assalamu alaikum students, this is Hadika Batul and today we are going to discuss about physics and technology. So let's start the video. Broadly speaking, physics and technology both constitute science. Physics is the heart and technology is the body of science. Physics is concerned with gathering knowledge and organizing it, while technology lets humans use that knowledge for practical purposes, like a camera, a rocket, a car, or a mobile, are the latest technologies that are made by humans by using the concepts of physics. Everyone says physics is very useful for a common person's daily lives, but the concepts of physics are of no use to a common person. But when a technology comes into being with the help of these concepts, it makes the life of a common person easier. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.